Hi there. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to enter customer records, and I'm going to be showing you how to delete customer records and edit customer records, etc. So to do that you need to be in the data entry screen here. If you're not here, just click on the button and it'll bring you here. You also need to be on the estimate or order page. If you go to notes, you'll find that all this gets grayed out. So estimate or order, and just click on the plus, click on customer, and that's it. You've got a brand new record waiting for you to input a name and address. You'll see here two things. Number one, the screen goes yellow, and that means you can tell at a glance that the database is in edit mode. Equally, this all gets grayed out, and that means that you can't scroll away from here until you've saved or thrown away or discarded these changes. So I'm just going to enter a record quickly in here. Okay, and you carry on down and fill in their address, postcode, telephone number and email. Now I'm just going to pause the video while I do that, and I'll be back with you in a few seconds. Okay, I've completed all that, and all we do to save the changes is click on the little tick here. If you wanted to discard those changes, you just click on the X and that would take the record away. So click on the tick, everything's saved. You can see now you've got all this becomes re-enabled and this turns white. Okay, a couple of interesting things here. If you click this button here, you can see it copies across their name and address to any other document. I'm in a text document here, but this could be Word or it could be anything else. And if you click on this button here, it'll copy their email address, which you can do straight into Outlook or Outlook Express or whichever email software you use. If we go to, once you've got one customer in there, when you go to enter a subsequent customer, it'll ask you, do you want to copy the current customer details? Now, I'm not going to do this because there's only one record in here, it won't show up as being a different record. But if you click yes on there, it will copy all these details across to a new record. Now this is handy when you're doing repeat work for the same customer. It saves you retyping all that information. So I'm going to say no, and I'm just going to enter the first part of a new customer, and I'm going to save the changes. And the reason I've entered this one is because I want to show you how to delete a customer. Now, a word about deletions. If you've entered estimate items, which I'm going to show you about in the next video, or order items, which will be in the following video, you're going to have to manually delete all those items prior to deleting the customer. And if the order has been invoiced, then you're not going to be able to delete it at all. And to be honest, there is no real point in deleting records from a database, because the record's still there, it's just that you can't see it. It won't save any resources or anything like that. So if you get a customer, for example, that cancels an order or whatever, then I suggest what you do is you just delete all the items bar the last one, and just change the text in the description field to cancelled. So having said that, at this stage, if you wanted to delete this record, you click on the minus, click on customer. You have to enter your password to make sure you're not making a mistake, and then delete customer John Smith. And if you say yes, he goes. And that's about it for entering and editing. Oh, I didn't show you how to edit. Editing is very easy. Just click on the line that you want. As you can see, as soon as I started typing there, it all turned yellow, and that means it's in edit mode again. Click on the tick to save it, click on the X to discard it. I'm not going to save that, and you see it takes it back to Riverside View. And that's it for entering and editing and deleting customers.